Hi everyone. Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. It's a live market buy sell signal generator. Today we are watching expiry day. During this expiry day after 12 o'clock, sell call generated. So red color candle open. Sell at 43,915.10, that is our entry point line. Straight white line from green, red color candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. First target itself a more than 100 point target, 43,805, 110 point target. Second target is a 200 point target. Nowadays it's a sideways market not moving very well. So we are only recommending first target range only. After 45 minutes of trading, it successfully started to move in downside direction and successfully break out the first target range also. So sell call generated and achieved the target. Nifty 1 minute chart. Sell call came at 18,879. At 11 o'clock itself, sell call started. After 12:45 only, it break out the first target 18,831. It's a 45 point target. It successfully achieved the target. Like this in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.